Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Today we're going to make a kebab. And this kebab, we don't use any tandoor or we don't use a grill. Make is chicken kebab in a pan. This dish is a simple dish that can be made 30-minute marination and then voila. And this is your chicken kebab. So let's see how it's done. So come on along with us. To make a chicken kebab, we have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, to this chicken, we have added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, next we add 1 teaspoon of salt, we need to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. We need to mix these ingredients together so that it can blend with the chicken. Now we need to leave this chicken aside for 15 minutes for marination. It has been 15 minutes since we have kept this chicken for marination. The next ingredient to add is 5 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Along with the curd, we need to add half teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, next is quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, next is 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, next is 5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give the bright red color for the chicken. Next is half teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is ground and roasted. Next we add 2 tablespoons of refined oil or cooking oil. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. At this time we need to check the salt, and if the salt is less, then we can add more salt as per our taste. Now we need to keep this masala mixed chicken for 30 minutes for marination. We have added another 2 teaspoons of chili powder as it was not very spicy. We mix the chili powder along with the rest of the masalas once again. Finally, we leave the chicken for marination for 30 minutes. It's now 30 minutes. We need to take a pan, place it on a stove, light it, and then we need to pour some oil. This is for shallow frying the chicken. We wait for the oil to get hot. Now the oil is hot. Next we need to start placing the chicken pieces. We place the chicken pieces one by one so that they do not stick to each other. Now we have dropped in all the chicken pieces and see that they do not stick together as they fry. As you fry the chicken, just ensure that they are fried on low flame. Now one side of the chicken is almost cooked. We need to now flip the chicken for the other side to cook. Now we have taken a bigger kadai to fry the next batch of chicken. As we continue to fry our chicken on low flame, another smarter way is to cover the pan so that the chicken cooks faster. Once we have covered the pan, the next is to fry the chicken for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes we have removed the cover because the water started accumulating on top of the cover. Also, one side of the chicken is cooked by that time. Next we need to turn it around for the other side to get cooked. Next we need to fry the other side for another 10 minutes. We have finished turning the other side of the chicken. Once again, we cover the pan with the lid and we cook the chicken for 10 minutes on low flame. Now we open the lid and the chicken is almost done and it's well cooked as well as fried. Now our chicken is nicely fried. We need to take it out of the pan. It will be better to have a non-stick pan instead of having a normal kadai. Now we can add some cucumber as garnishing and it's ready to be served. So let's enjoy our chicken kebab together.